This is Nick with logosbynick.com, and in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how you can group layers together using Procreate. Now this is something that's a little tricky to do because there's no feature for this that's advertised out in the open, so you kind of have to figure it out for yourself. But the way that you do it is you tap on your layers menu over here, and if you notice we have our 4 different layers. I'm going to tap on the first layer right here to select it, and what I want to do is select the other layers as well at the same time. And the way that you do that is by sliding right on it like that. Now I'm going to slide right on this layer as well, and then slide right on this layer as well. And if you notice, all 4 of those layers are selected. And once you have multiple layers selected, you'll see this little option up here that says group. I'm going to tap on group at the top right corner, and it's going to put them all together in a layer group right there, just like that. Now if you want to change the name of that layer group, you just tap on it again, and you could tap on rename right there. And the flatten, that'll combine everything together into one layer in case you want to do that. Now if you want to release the group, there's no way to do that with one push of a button. You have to do this manually. So I'm going to hold a tap over this layer, and I'm just going to move it out of the group like that. And I'm going to hold a tap on this layer, move it out of the group, and then the same thing with these other layers as well. Let me take that and move it out of the group. And now you can just slide left on this group and just press delete to get rid of it. And there you go, you're back to where you started. So that is how you can go about working with groups of layers in Procreate. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.